Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm checking out this 50-foot pressure washer hose. So this is fits 3/4 or 3/8, and this is 1/4 inch with 3/8 adapters on there. We have our hose right here and then some instructions right here. So if you want to connect the hoses with this extension connector, and then we have all the pieces that we need to attach it either to the 3/8 or just leave it as a 1/4 with this regular plug-in right here, this attachment here. So nice durable hose. He's not kinking or anything like that. It's super nice to have some extra hose. I wash my truck with my pressure washer, and half the time I'll have to go around one side and then have to come back the other side just to get the rest of the back of the truck or whatever. Also, if you're trying to pressure wash your house, it's super nice to have this a nice long cord so you can go all the length of the house and you're not having to struggle with a short cord or a short hose and a garden hose too on top of that. So yeah, this should fit like Ryobi, Bilt, Greenworks, all your normal pressure washers. And this is max is 4,200 PSI. So if you're going to get this, make sure that your PSI, if your pressure washer doesn't exceed that. Anyways, let's go put it on my pressure washer and test it out, shall we? Okay, my friends, so just attaching one of these ends to the other one. So I could just use this hose directly, or I could just hook this one up to the old one to give me even extra length on this. So for these, we just screw it in here. Just push it in and screw it on there. Same thing with that, just push it on, screw it on. So this is going to give you extra hose length, or you can just connect this directly onto the pressure washer right here. So that screws on there like this. All right, so now we got, instead of what, 20 feet or whatever, 10 feet, now we have 60 feet of hose, and we can just turn that on, show you how much length we have on that. Okay, now when I want to wash my truck or my driveway, super easy. Show you the connection right there, no leaking, and there's the hose. So prior to this, I wouldn't have enough room. I'd have to get like an extension on my garden hose to get it out here. And now I can go all the way out here. And once again, no leaking on the connections, super solid. You know, clean off my fences, no problem. Using my pressure washer way out here, it's got some grime on there. And just kind of hose all that stuff off of there. It's been building up over the rainy season. Switch it to my 15 degrees one there. Get rid of all that stuff on there. So my friends, yeah, I'm really happy with this. Just makes my work a lot easier. Like I said, no leaking at all. Connections are nice and solid. You can see that once I just kind of unwound it a little bit, there was no kinking anyways or anything like that. So nice solid hose for the pressure washer. Works really good. I'm super happy with it. Just so much easier. I don't have to like roll out my garden hose and get another hose and attach that. This is super lightweight. Just fits in the little box there, and I can keep it with my pressure washer. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and we'll see you all next time.